Good morning children, how are you all? Hope all you are fine. For class 5 children, today I am going to explain our textual exercises. Already in the last class I make you to read textual reading. Now today I am going to make you to do textual exercises, and today is the day 4. And here first one, no all of them open page number 227 children. Here the first bit, words to know. Sphere, an object that is completely round, such as a ball, is called a sphere. Intermediate directions, the directions in between the major directions. The directions in between the major directions. Next, symbols, marks which have a particular meaning. Marks which have a particular meaning. So, those are symbols which we indicate on maps. Symbols which we indicate on maps. Okay, next, quick recap. A globe is a model of the earth. It shows the continents and oceans. Okay, children, globe is a model of the earth. It shows the continents and oceans. Next, a map represents the earth on a flat surface. There are different types of maps. North, south, east and west are the 4 major directions. The scale of a map is the ratio between the map distance and the actual distance between 2 places. Symbols and colors are used to represent different features on a map. Symbols and colors are used to represent different features on a map. Okay, next, read and answer. Okay, children, read and answer. First one, take the correct answer. The earth is a unique planet because it is the only planet in the solar system. It has land masses and water bodies. It is the coldest planet. It is the hottest planet. What is the correct answer, children? It has land masses and water bodies. Take this. Second one, option B. Okay, next one. The explorer who sailed around the world was Vasco da Gama, Gerardus Mercator, Christopher Columbus, Ferdinand Magellan. Who explored around the world, children? He is Ferdinand Magellan. Okay, take beside Ferdinand Magellan. Next, a political map shows countries and capitals, rainfall and temperature, physical features, population. What a political map shows? It shows countries and boundaries. Tick here. Okay, next, the ratio between the distance on a map and the actual distance on a ground is direction, sphere, scale, symbol. What is that, children? So the distance on a map and the actual distance on a ground is called scale. Okay, next, the symbol used to show a city on a map is the symbol used to show a city on a map is dash, small circle, triangle, rectangle. It's a small circle. Okay, children. Next, turn the page. Next bit, true or false. Write to T for true and or F for false. We can make a globe for a small part of the earth. Is it true, children? Yes, it's true. Next, forests and industries cannot be shown on a map. It can be shown on a map, but here they are saying it cannot be shown, but it can be shown. So the answer is false. Next, symbols on a map show features that cannot be drawn. Yes, the symbols will show the features of a map that we cannot be drawn. Okay, that is the reason we cannot draw all the symbols. That is the reason we use symbols. Next, plains and mountains are shown in different colors. True. Yes. Next, question answers. Answer these questions. How was it proved that Earth is spherical in shape? Because Ferdinand Magellan, Portuguese explorer, he sailed around the world and he proved that Earth is spherical in shape, and also the photos taken from the space also proved that Earth is spherical in shape. Okay, next, how how is a globe useful to us? How is a globe useful to us, children? We use a globe to study about the earth. Okay, next, how do maps help us? Why is a map less accurate than a globe? Okay, maps are easy to carry, okay, and it is also show the information on a about a globe. Okay, and why is a map less accurate than a globe? So children, map we can fold, we can keep it in a pocket, and we can in a bag, and we can carry anywhere, but a globe, we can't carry it comfortably. That is the reason map is less accurate than a globe. Okay, next, what are the features that help us to read a map? The main features which help us to read a map are directions, symbols, scale. Okay, children, and these are the features which will help us to read a map. Okay, next, think and answer. The earth looks mostly blue when seen from space. Why the earth looks mostly in blue in color? Because 75% of the earth is covered with water bodies. That is the reason it looks like a blue in color. Okay, next, here, do and learn. Okay, children, this is an activity, so this you have to do. And here, what is the question is, the scale of a map is 1 centimeter. Okay, the scale of a map is 1 centimeter, 250 kilometers on a land. Okay, the distance between these places on a map is given. Find the actual distances. Here they given three places. Here, Jammu and Chennai. Jammu and Chennai. So on the map it is 11 centimeters. Means on a land how many kilometers it will be? So you have to do 11 into 250 kilometers. 1 centimeter is equal to 250 kilometers, right? So 11 centimeters into 250 kilometers. So that the answer will be 2750 kilometers. Okay, children. Next one, Mumbai, Bhopal. Distance between Mumbai and Bhopal is 3 centimeters on the map. So 3 centimeters is to 250 kilometers, or 3 centimeters into 250 kilometers. What will be the answer? The answer is 750 kilometers. Okay, if you multiply with the 3 into 250 kilometers, 3 centimeters into 250 kilometers, we'll get the answer 750 kilometers. Next, Bengaluru to Visakhapatnam, distance is 4 centimeters. Bengaluru to Visakhapatnam, distance is 4 centimeters. Okay, so 4 centimeters into 250 kilometers will be 1000 kilometers. Okay, children, see. And next bit is map work. On the map of India given on page number 263, use appropriate colors to show the following. Okay, so here they given some places that you have to do on the map given on page number 263. If you open page number 263, you will be seeing a map, children. All of them open 263 page number. See here, this is the map. Okay, here on this map you have to point the places what here they given. Okay, and color them. Okay, and post after doing, post that in school group. Okay, the places are Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, Northern Plains, Arabian Sea, Himalayas, Thar Desert. Okay, point this and do on that, and take a pic and post in school group. Okay, and next, last bit, children, life skills. Find directions using the sun. Stand facing the sun in the morning. Okay, next, the sun rises in the east. Yes, that is a fact. Next, so you will be facing the east direction. Now find the other directions. So you are standing towards the sun. So the sun rises in the east. Here 4 directions I have drawn: east, west, north and south. Okay, the sun rises in the east. Yes, the sun rises in the east. You are facing here. So here they given 3 questions, you have to answer that. First one, dash is to my back. What is back to east, children? it is west. Back to east is west. So you have to write west. Next, dash is dash is to my right. So what is to your right? Right. South is to your right. Okay. Next, dash is to my left. What will be the left? North. North will be to your left. Okay. So this is all about today, children. Hope all you have understand, and do that map pointing and post in a school WhatsApp, and bye children. See you in the next class.